Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites: laptop battery or charger attached and the Wi-Fi adapter turned on. Open the network list in your system tray or menu bar and select the router SSID. Enter the correct password. Once connected, check the signal icon to verify association. If you see an authentication prompt, retype the password slowly. Make sure to choose 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster performance when available. Once done, verify how your laptop got online. Open network settings and confirm an IP address, gateway, and DNS entries. Run a quick ping to 8 or open a browser to load a simple page. This proves external reachability. If no IP appears, enable DHCP so the router assigns one automatically. You only set a manual IP if instructed by your network admin. Make sure firewall settings allow web traffic. Otherwise, you may have local blocks that prevent browsing. You finish by securing and testing the connection. Confirm the router uses WPA2 or WPA3 encryption and change the default admin password. Then run a speed test to set expectations. If pages fail to load, restart the router and your laptop. Simple reboots resolve many issues. If problems persist, run the built-in network diagnostics and check for error codes. One key troubleshooting tip: if you get an IP address 169, 250.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.